How to fix Instagram Meta AI support assistant option not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Meta AI support assistant option not showing on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to update the Instagram app. So here first open the Google Play Store, and now here once you're inside you can simply search for the Instagram app, and there if you see an update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to log out and log back in. So here open the Instagram and go to the profile section. And now here once you're inside in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on logout. And you have to confirm your action by tapping on logout again. And once you're logged out, simply log back in with your account and check if the Meta AI option appears there. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Instagram cache. So here, go to the phone settings on the phone, and now here once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you simply have to find the Instagram app. So here simply type Instagram and tap on it. And now here once you see the interface like this, just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So here, if the option is still missing, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram app, and after that you can simply reinstall it again from the Play Store. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram Meta AI support assistant option not showing problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.